Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CBEX app on your phone. In order to do it, first of all, you will have to open your preferable web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for cbex.cx. Now once you search for it, you will be landed on the official website of CBEX, and over here we need to just find the APK download link. So in order to do it, you need to simply tap on these three lines in the top right hand corner, and the third last option would be of download. So once you tap on download, you will be landed on this page where you will see App Store and Android. So you will have to tap on the one based on the type of device that you are using. For example, if you are using Android device, you simply need to tap on Android, and it will show you this blank page and asks you to download this file. So tap on the download option here, and it will be start downloading in your device. If you tap on the details, this is the setup that you have downloaded. Now you need to simply tap on it and install it in your device. Now similarly, if you are using iPhone, so you need to tap on App Store, and in a similar way you will have to download the APK and then you can install it in your device. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.